Me that don't sweat. Look, I'm sweating. Me that don't sweat. Look, because I'm in Jigawa State. The sun is sunny. Me that don't sweat. If you know me too well, you know that I don't sweat. But look at sweating because I'm in Jigawa State. I beg, who opened the pit of hell? Because what is this? You cannot even apply your body lotion because of you are in Jigawa State. It's so hot. Upon it rained. Was it yesterday or a day before yesterday? But look at how the weather is so harsh. And I'm sweating. God. Eesh. Now heat be this. Ooh. See you. See everywhere.